Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's start with opening the options, which are right here. So just tap on this arrow, or you can just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. Here we've got the timer, this crossed out icon, so just tap on the timer, and in this device we've got 4 different options: 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay, and of course off option. So just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds. As you can see, the timer icon changed slightly. Moreover, after getting back, you can see that inside the shutter button we've got this timer icon, so we know that we've got something set, which is great. So all you need to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on our device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works, and if you wish to turn off the timer, simply swipe your finger up and tap on the timer. Now let's tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.